Canadian film scene तो अलग चल रहा था,
Yeah.
फिर एक बड़ा exciting Canadian Punjabi music scene चल रहा था, and then all of a sudden Anika does a video with Karan Aujla. How did that happen?
You know,
ये क्या हुआ? I mean, I don't think you speak Punjabi.
I don't.
Oh, you said that your father's side is from India.
Yes.
And your mother's side is from.
So no, they're both Pakistani, दोनों कराची के.
Okay.
लेकिन हम लोग महाजर हैं, उर्दू स्पीकिंग हैं, तो ज़्यादातर आधी फैमिली जो है on my father's side is in India. So.
And where in India?
I think they're scattered.
Okay.
Yeah, I've never been in touch with them.
Right.
Yeah, so I have no idea. I found out actually from my dad's cousin, from my popo, that it was a very sweet conversation. She was like, "You're not as alone as you think you are in our family. There's more of you.
Okay.
You just have never met them before."
Okay.
And I was like, "Okay, fine. I will go and find them one day. Let's see." But khair, anyway, that was a tangent. हाँ नहीं पंजाबी नहीं आती मुझे.
Canadian Punjabi music scene.
Yeah.
हाँ. At least Sunni. I'm sure that's not how you pronounce it because मैं पंजाबी
that's
बोल
how
लेती
I
हूँ.
would pronounce it
Okay.
also. So I don't know.
ठीक
I
है.
think you're pronouncing it fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
तो ये
maybe
कैसे हुआ?
you can put a snippet of the song and I think it is Addi Sunni.
हाँ.
ये ऐसे हुआ कि ironically one of my acquaintances was doing a music video as a model and she had to back out last minute and she said कि तुम चली जाओ मेरी जगह. And this was the director for that music video with Karan Aujla. And I was like, I don't know, like I've never done a music video before. Like she's like, Nini Jao, it's like $150.
Had you done theatre by then?
Yeah, just theatre.
Okay.
And other things online. Now that sounds so shady, but yeah, the YouTube scene.
We'll get
that
to the shady
also,
YouTube
I was
scene.
like, other things online. I was like, okay, if I don't reveal what it is at this point, it's bad. Okay. So she didn't go. And she was like, "Tum chale jao meri jagah." And it was $150. And for me, $150 at the time was a very big deal. And I was like, "I'll split it with you." She's like, "No, please just go." I went. The director really liked me. It was a lot of fun. I think I had the edge of being a theater performer. So I think there was an ease that I had that they didn't find previously with other models.
Yeah.
So the director, Rupan Bal, was like, "I'm going to put you in my videos." And I was like, "Okay, sure." And then I did Jazzy B.
Give me the money, give me the opportunity. I'm in. Yeah.
I was
और
like,
क्या
why not?
चाहिए?
Yeah. And it was fun. It was just like bhagte, daurte hue, you know, with one camera, taking shots here and there. That's it, whatever. You get your money at the end of the day. It's pretty cool. It was a lot of fun and it was quick money.
Yeah.
Then I did a music video for Jazzy B, who, कौन सा गाना था? जिन्हें मेरा दिल लुटिया. That was my second music video.
I didn't see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's also out there.
Okay.
And there was like a couple other music videos with the same director.
That's
and he
a
was like,
famous गाना ये तो.
Yeah. I wasn't in that music video, but
okay.
a recent one. Where was I?
Music videos करी फिर हाँ.
Then I did the music videos, and then he was like, Rupan's also, he's such a, you know, the person that's like कीड़ा जो कहते हैं, he's like he's such a, I don't know what the word for it is. He was like, I'm going to get you ready to be good for a Karan Aujla music video.
Okay.
And he would kind of like hang that over my head. And I was like, okay, fine, sure. He's like, no, you need to be good enough for it. You need to brush up on your Punjabi. You need to do this, you need to do that. I was like, okay, good, whatever. And then, one day he was like, okay, let's do a music video. Karan's on board. He wants to meet you.
Super.
Let's
उस
get
वक्त
on
जो
set.
conservative family थी, उनका क्या वो were they making peace with it now? Okay, चाहिए तो.
At this point they were, and also like I think my USP for Punjabi music videos was the fact that I would do the roles that required crying.
Yeah.
And required a more conservative look.
Made for Pakistani television.
बस
ये तो होना था.
ये तो
होना था अगर रोना आ जाए और conservative आप हो जाए तो.
That's it. Which is so funny because I was like, I tried to like push against that, but we'll come towards that later. But yeah, and then that was it. That was in the music video. It was a lot of fun. It was like a 12 or 13 hour day. Karan was great. Karan wasn't as famous as he is now
back then,
at that time, but he was still, everyone knew that.
And this was what year?
This was 2022?
21,
21,
22?
22, 21.
हाँ, फिर भी he was big enough.
He was big
He
enough,
was
but
big,
it was
he was
more of
big.
those things like people who knew Punjabi music knew him,
Yeah.
but now I think he's more of like a everyone knows him
Yeah.
type of deal.
किसी भी नए एक्टर को आप देखते हैं टेलीविजन पे तो ऐसा लगता है कि ओ यू नो अभी आया इतना फेमस हो गया या ओ ओवरनाइट फेम, बट ओवरनाइट नहीं होती है
नहीं
ना?
होती है।
ओवरनाइट नहीं होती, बड़े
नहीं
सालों की
होती है।
मेहनत होती है,
ऐसे ही है।
डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं। आपने म्यूजिक वीडियोस करी, यू डिड थिएटर, यू डिड दोस शॉर्ट फिल्म्स, यू आल्सो डिड अ बिट ऑफ व्लॉगिंग, सो यू डिड, आई मीन पूरा वो आप करते हैं, you go through the routines and you know and that all added and sort of helped you with your acting
Definitely.
experience and
It
everything.
added so much value.
Added value, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So when did you decide कि अच्छा मैं अपना बोरिया बिस्तरा उठा के अब पाकिस्तान जा रही हूँ,
You know,
मैं
never-
चली बस?
मेरी जिंदगी में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैंने कोई firm decision किया हो. Even like our family's decision to go back to Canada जब मैं 15 साल की थी, it was just like कि हाँ हम लोग जाते हैं summer के लिए वापस आ जाएंगे. Then we went and then some family issues and stuff happened and then it was just like okay fine, I guess we're just going to stay here. And we left for summer. We ended up now, it's been like what, 11 years since we've been back in Canada.
Yeah.
So I think मेरे लिए पाकिस्तान आना, it wasn't such a big deal because I was like, let me just go check it out.
Going back home perhaps also that feeling.
For sure, because मेरे लिए Canada, Toronto never felt like home.
Right.
तो I think there was always this sense कि मैं पाकिस्तान वापस आना चाहती हूँ. बल्कि it's not just me. All of the second gen diaspora people that I know, Pakistani, Indian, otherwise, whatever, they're also jaded by the West. Completely jaded. कि एक तो living expenses are so much.
Yeah.
The return is not that much. It's a very, plus the weather, I hate Canadian weather.
Too cold, man. Too cold.
I hate it. People are like, oh my god, snow. आप एक महीने से ज़्यादा रह के दिखाएं
हाँ.
बर्फ वाले मौसम में. It's just, it's hell. So that's why I'm like really happy. For me, it wasn't like a struggle or an adjustment. I was just like.
So three things ना, एक तो ये कि representation, you have an identity here.
Yeah.
दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि टेलीविज़न कुछ भी हो, सबके दिमाग में ज़रा सा फेम एंड फॉर्चून का तो एक होता है. There is an attraction, right? Hard work तो है. Will you make it to the top? Will you make it anywhere? You coming into this industry, but you were confident. And I've heard that you manifest things really well.
I do.
You do. कि अगर मैंने सुना है कि if you think of something, it happens.
It just happens.
So what's happening there?
I think now manifestation has become a very commonplace concept. But I strongly believe in it. I think even, it's going to sound so weird. You know, I've practiced having this interview with you and I'm still doing so bad. I'm not even kidding. I think for as long as you and Hassan have been making videos, like I've watched them with my mom in Canada, sitting and watching them. So even me being here is a result of that manifestation, you know, like sitting in that basement in Brampton watching TV and then closing it and then being like, मैं जाऊंगी तो कैसा होगा, you know what I mean? But it's very much that. I think I've been very good at visualizing exactly what I want. I don't think it's so much hard work as it is belief. I just, then it became like a practice for me. I would journal the things that I wanted. Because
Yeah,
I
of
would,
course.
Yeah. So even getting to work with Asim Awasi for me, that was also manifestation because I had watched his previous work. It just, I think, शायद अल्लाह ने कोई चीज़ दी है ऐसी कि मैं सोचती हूँ और वो हो जाती है. Or maybe it's just कि I think, and I could give whatever meaning I want to it, is maybe people like me need to get out there to show